How to create conditional questions in Google Forms. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create conditional questions in Google Form. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, open up your Google form and create a question. So let's say I'll just write here, do you go to school? And after I write a question, I will then need to add different options. So if I write yes here and no here and maybe here, okay, or I'll just write graduated here, and if I write these three options and if I just add more sections here, so I'll just tap on add a question, and add a question. So now I'll go back to this first question, then tap on the three dots that says more options, and there you'll see go to section based answer. Select that. Now if you have answered yes, then you can continue to section 1. So I'll just select that, and if I have answered no, I'll just go to the new section. So you can keep on doing that. So let me just write a question here. I'll just write it, if you've answered yes, I'll just write it where. If you've answered, I'll just make it a text based. And for question number 2, if you answered no, I'll just make it why. And I'll just write here long answer text, that's fine. And if you're from where. And after that, I'll just leave it be. Make it a short answer. There we go. Now, again, just tap on this here. So if I don't want any answers, I can simply select submit form from this option. If not, I'll just select another section here. So continue to next section, continue to next section. So basically what we have to do is link each of the answers to a next section. And that's how you create conditional questions in Google Form. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.